First, we need to understand the small difference between what is drawing and what is sketching. Okay, basically this both comes under the creative skills. It comes under the art skills. Okay, like example, the child is more into drawing or drawing the realistic face, realistic characters, those things, shading, this all the things the child keeps spending more time and creating things on these particular areas. It means that the child is having more interested on the drawing areas, more realistic, more semi-realistic areas. So you have to help the child to move forward on this particular direction. You have to put them into the shading classes. You have to put them into the traditional art classes. If your child is more interested on drawing a lot of cartoon characters, anime characters, manga characters, okay, all the characters, whatever the child is seeing from the game or serial, anything, okay, if the child keep drawing, keep doing stuff on those all the things, all the things, the work looks like scribbles, looks like more into the outline based. So this comes under the sketching. It means the child is doing a lot of sketching on this all the anime, cartoon, manga characters. Okay, so this belongs to the sketching skill. To help your child to improve on these sketching skill areas, you have to help the child to start learn on character sketching. So you have to put them into the character sketching class, not in the traditional class. Traditional class looks similar, but it's not similar. This is totally different. So the child need to learn the character sketching foundation skills, the character sketching like sketching methods, and the sketching process, the character sketching process. These are all the things the child need to be learned. So when they have this kind of unique skills, it's very important as a parent. We have to we need to know what exactly the unique skills, the creative skills the child is having. Based on the creative skills, we have to help them to learn and move forward on that particular directions. When you align this direction in the right areas, the child keep move forward more faster. They will create a lot of unique stuff because this comes into the creativity skills, correct? The child, when you will spend a lot of time and learning on this all the skills and getting all the coaches properly, the child can able to develop more creativity skills, patience, focus, and eye to hand coordination. That's basically nothing but motor skills. And not only that, the child knows how to overcome small challenge to reach better success rate. Not only that, the child also will feel his own growth areas in his work quality areas, the work quality. Okay, so that gives a lot of self-confidence about the person. End of the day, we have to teach not only kids, even ourselves. We should know how to motivate ourselves, how to be more confident on our own, so we can able to learn, or else we can able to handle anything. That's how we tell, like, whoever have hobby, let it be it's drawing or sketching, even music, dance, whatever it is, you have to help them. You need to identify what unique skill that child is having and help them to study those things. In today's world, all type of training is available, all type of area you can able to reach through internet, through online classes, correct? There is no excuse not supporting the child on that particular areas. Okay, I hope this is useful for you. Okay, it's not small things. You are not only helping, you are gifting something kind of like how to be self-motivated, how to be focused, and how to be relaxed, correct? These are all the things the child can able to enjoy, able to learn on their hobbies areas, their creativity skill areas. So you are giving such a big gift for your child. Okay, if your child is keep drawing a lot of anime characters, manga characters, cartoon characters, Disney characters, like more into the characters and all the things, don't wait, click the link below and join my 1 hour free demo class. In the demo class, I will be covering character sketching foundation skills, character sketching method, and character sketching process. This mainly for the kids who is interested and more on the drawing the characters. Join the demo class 5 minutes before with your notebook and pencils so that we can able to sketch together and learn these topics.